This is an Amazon purchased portable air conditioner. It's 3-in-1. It cools down 350 square feet. Supposed to be quite AC with fan and dehumidifier. Has an LED display, has a remote, 24-hour timer, has a window kit. You can use this for bedroom, office, or dorms. I have purchased two of this because my AC broke, and for emergencies you can actually use this. But here I'm going to show you. Here's the box that you just saw at the unboxing. So make sure that you follow the instructions on top of the box on when you are to remove the unit. It's very important. And with the unit, it came with all this accessories that you will need to install, because you will need to get it to your window. And here's the kit for the window. The window kit has extensions, so you can use it for wider windows, but the smaller bathroom windows, you would have to get a plastic cutter because it doesn't fit. But here's the unit itself. It's ready to start. The only thing that will make it a little bit, like probably 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how fast you're able to get the window kit installed, you can run this right away. So here's a quick one. Make sure you have like either not a duct tape, there's a tape for like the dry vent tape. That's what you need. It's a foil tape because of the heat. So the duct tape will work initially, which I did try, but because of the heat it's gonna go loosen it. So here's the window kit I'm talking about. So there's an attachment, an extension. So it's either if you have vertical opening or horizontal opening window, you can use this. So if it's horizontal and it's wider, then you can add an extension. It's very easy. And that's the hole for the vent. So here I have vertical opening windows, so I was able to put the extension. And here's what I'm talking about. There's a foam with an adhesive on it that's included with the window kit, so you want to use that first. But I advise to have the duct, the dry vent duct tape. It's a foil tape because it works here on top. You see that foil? That's the one I'm talking about. You want to secure the vent connector at the back of the unit and to the window. So I've completed this, and this is what it looks like when it's done.